Before getting monetized, I used to ask myself a lot of questions. Is it worth it? Is YouTube worth it? The hard work that I used to put in, editing videos day and night, recording day and night, is it really worth it? And I know a lot of people are actually asking themselves this kind of questions. Now, in this video, I've come with the answer. I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for 10K views. And before even I show you anything, before I show you any payment, I'm going to tell you that, bro, sister, this is worth it. YouTube is worth it. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel for success, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified. Let's grow together. Now, when it comes to earning good money on YouTube, it depends on different factors. In some cases, you can control it, and in most cases, you cannot control it. Now, for example, if YouTube displays ads from big companies like Apple, Mercedes-Benz, Samsung, and such kind of big companies, you're going to actually earn big and good money. And if you make longer videos that are 8 minutes and above, you're going to earn good money because you can put ads in between those videos. But if YouTube displays ads from personal business owners of smaller businesses, you're not going to earn good money. And if you make short videos that are 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 6, 7 minutes, you're not going to earn good money because you cannot put ads in between those videos. Now, as a smaller creator chasing monetization, you have to know this so that you correct your mistakes earlier before monetization. You have to make longer videos if you want to make good money once monetized. Now, there is also CPM and RPM. CPM, it is how much advertisers pay YouTube to advertise on YouTube. And RPM, it is how much YouTube pays you, the creator. Okay? So when the CPM is high, the RPM is high. When the CPM is low, the RPM is low. Now, what determines whether the CPM is going to be low or high? It is the location of your viewers. If your viewers come from countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, the CPM is going to be high. And if your viewers come from countries like Nigeria, India, South Africa, Kenya, Taiwan, let me say those countries, those countries, your RPM is going to be low and your earnings are going to be low. I just wanted to tell you this so that you know how YouTube payments works. All right, let's go in my YouTube studio and I show you how much YouTube paid me for 10K views. This is the video. I uploaded this video on 25th of January 2025 and this video is 11 days on YouTube. All right, let's go in the analytics and we see. Now, as you see, this video has over 12,000 views, but YouTube has paid for only 10K views, but the 2K views are still processing. So YouTube is going to pay for those 2K views. And I hope by tomorrow we look at the watch hours. I got over 603 watch hours from this particular video. And subscribers, I got over 419 subscribers from this particular video. When you look at audience rotation, it looks somehow good because it has top moment. And when you see here, they say nice work. This part of the video kept your viewers watching for a longer time. So the audience rotation looks nice. Let's go to reach. This video was shown to 177.7 thousand people. This is the number of people YouTube showed my video to. And out of this number of people, I managed to get only 12,000 views, which is kinda poor. The performance wasn't good. I think I should improve on my thumbnails. But that is not so bad as well. Okay, this is the content that was suggesting my videos and I got suggestions from different videos. Let's go to engagement. Average view duration. This video was 8 minutes long, but the average view duration was 3 minutes. That is somehow fair. It's not bad, it's not good. All right, let's go to audience. Audience is the big deal. Audience is the reason to why you get paid highly or low. I got 293 returning viewers. I got 8.8k unique viewers. Unique viewers are people who are new to my channel, people who have never watched my videos. So I got over 8.8k viewers that were new to my channel. Now we go to age, and this is very important when it comes to payments on YouTube. When older people watch your videos, you get paid highly because their purchasing power is high. But when younger people watch your videos, you get low payments. Now, as you see, between 13 to 17 years, I don't have any viewers. I have 0%. And between 18 to 24 years, I have only 7.4% viewers. Now, when you look at my viewers' age, you'll realize that older people are watching my videos. And by that, I'm going to have more chances of earning massively, of earning highly, because older people have a higher purchasing power, a higher purchasing ability. When we go to top geographies or top countries, okay, United States is on number 1. I got 27.5 viewers from USA, Nigeria on number 2 with 13%, Philippines on number 3 with 5.7%. All right, the next thing is revenue, and that's the reason why we are here. Let's go direct to revenue. It's loading. Wow, I earned $40.48 in this particular video. And YouTube paid for only 10.7k views. 10.7k views gained me $40.48. This is really, really amazing. The CPM was $10.96 and the RPM was 3.78 cents. Now, this is what I was talking about. The CPM was $10.96 for every 1k views, and the RPM was $3.78 for every 1k views. Meaning, after YouTube deducting its profits, my government taxi, and the US taxes, since YouTube is a US company and I'm not an American, I have to pay for the US taxi as well. So after YouTube deducting all of that from this $10 that advertisers pay, my balance is $3.78. So guys, as you see, YouTube really pays. I made this $40 with one video that I posted in 11 days. 11 days, one video, not all my videos. If this video inspired you, like it, smash that like button right away. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you're struggling to get watch hours. I gained over 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. And you can do it as well after watching this video. I gained 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. Not 7 days, not 7 weeks, but 7 hours. Watch this video, you will gain those kind of hours. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.